back to my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be installing another wig for you guys. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this. Here is the wig that I will be installing. Same wig as the last one, just a different color. And I'm going to be doing a different method. It's going to be hopefully a little bit faster, and hopefully it works too, like really fingers crossed, because I've seen it work for other people, but I want to try a different method to see if it works for me. Simply just experimenting, no actual reason as to why I'm doing it, just want to try something different. But we're going to go ahead and speed up this video and get this install on the road. Okay, first things first is to comb my hair back, make sure it's out the way. Y'all see that length though. Next, I'm going to be applying my edge control all around my edges. I'm just going to take this hardwood brush and brush this product into my hair. Now I'm going to be applying the bald cap to my head, making sure I tuck every last strand under it. This is where I won't be doing the whole gluing down the bald cap to my head. I'm just going to wear it to protect my hair from the wig. So I'm taking the wig out of the pack, and I'm going to take my Got To Be spray and just spray the lace a little bit. I'm going to be using this lace tint spray to spray the lace, and I love this stuff. It really goes good with my skin color, and I got this from the beauty supply store, and it wasn't too expensive. So I'm going to go and use my blow dryer just to dry up this product into the lace. And then I'm going to go back in with my press powder, and I'm just going to go over every inch of the lace. So now that I'm done applying the product to the wig, I'm going to start applying the same two products to the bald cap. Just adjusting the bald cap to bring it up a little bit farther because it was back too far. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue and this silver toothpick comb, and I'm going to start applying a medium-sized band of glue around my edges, but making sure I'm not actually getting it on my hair. Now I'm going to go back in using my blow dryer to dry up the glue a little bit, but not too much, because I want to make sure that it's going to really attach this wig to my forehead and make it last. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig on my head. Make sure this time that I install the edges as well, because last time I did not. And I did actually apply another layer of glue off camera. So I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer just to dry it up a little bit around the edges. I'm going to use this cloth and some alcohol and just clean it up around the edges, because I feel like I got some glue on the strands. So I'm going to apply this band to my head. I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer to make sure I mold this wig down really good and make sure that it's extremely dry. Now I'm going to go in with my scissors and start cutting the lace off. Y'all already know what time it was. I definitely had to get my brown tool and start using that to cut the lace, because it literally works so much better than scissors. I'm going back in with the alcohol and the cloth just to get excess glue off my forehead from cutting the lace, because I probably applied way too much glue. Now I'm going in with my pressed powder and I'm going to apply it around the edges just to make sure that the wig blends in really good with my skin. Now I'm going to take my liquid foundation and a skinny head brush, and I'm going to apply some of that to the part and around the edges of the lace. So as you can see, I have 4 sections of my edges prepped. So I have the sideburns and then the 2 sections in the front. And I'm just going to start cutting those with my brow tool. Next, I'm going to apply some of my edge control on each part so I can go ahead and form these edges into how I want them. This is not the brush I usually use to do my edges, but it's really like one of those wig edge brushes to me, in my opinion. So I'm just using this, which I got from Amazon, to swoop my edges the way I want them. So I'm going in with this little paddle detangling brush to comb out the wig and make sure there's no strands sticking up so y'all can see the final product. So this is the finished look. I am very satisfied how it looks. Definitely looks better than my first install, but y'all know I'm just going to keep getting better at this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.